Hello, investors. Welcome to Chart Shastra, where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 62 of our 100-day price action challenge. We have been waiting for Friday. We thought that if Friday was decent and positive, the market is probably trying to recover. But again, today we have seen a very sharp reversal. So let's just look at small cap. See, even the small cap index were up in the morning, almost tried to reach this level, but from that point the index was down almost again 2.5%. That's very largely. Same thing happened in the microcap space too. So we have been seeing for the last 2 days that the portfolio was green and the market is trying to recover. But I have warned you that do not fall into the trap that the market is reversing, because still the primary uptrend is completely negative as of now. Look at Nifty, even it is also becoming weaker and weaker every single day. If this 22,700, it has almost tested the low today, but there was a little bounce happened at this support zone. If this 22,700 is broken down, I think probably we have to wait for 21,800, that is 1,000 point range. That would be very dangerous for the market. So please be careful if you are trading, and if you are investor, do not rush in. You're thinking that you are getting the stocks at a lower price, right? Wait for the stocks to form a bottom, only then you can buy. Otherwise what happens is you will end up trying to catch the falling knife. You will lose more money in such market. Looking at the mid cap, almost the same scenario, right? It has exactly taken a support here, tried to reach this high, and quickly got rejected. It is also almost down 2.5% from the highs of the day. So even the Nifty 500 has done the same thing. Even today, even the gold has also little bit corrected, same as silver. Coming to the sectoral charts today, this is very important. The week has started somewhere around here, but again the closing was almost nothing. It has closed flat. The same thing happened with private banks, PSU banks, even IT. It has the closing started somewhere around here. The closing was much weaker. It has broken down this line even on the weekly time frame too. So the market is not looking good. Look at auto. Yesterday we were little bit happy that it was up 1%. Today it has wiped out entire gains and down 3% again. Market is not at all healthy. Please be alert during such market conditions. Reality, as you know, it has been very choppy. Again, it has corrected almost 3.5% from the day's high. See, that is how the volatility is. The pharma is down 2%. Infra is also 0.15%, 0.5%. Look at FMCG. Almost after this level, it never even made an attempt to move up. Down 6% in last 10 sessions. That's massive selling happening on the FMCG. Telecom is also acting weak. Healthcare is weaker. Media is weaker. See, that's how you know, not even single broader sector is doing well. Now let's start with our daily 100 stock analysis. As of now, Reliance is going sideways. TCS is tried to recover, but again, this could be a short covering. I have been highlighting you to, from a long time here. HDFC Bank still trading in this zone itself. It should not break this 1660 level, otherwise it might again retest this 1624 levels. That would hurt Bank Nifty a little bit more. Airtel has went back into its consolidation again. ICICI was looking better till yesterday, but again today has become much weaker. So is Infosys is also becoming weaker. SBI we have been seeing from a long time. It is already weaker, not at all doing great. ITC is on a confirmed downtrend heading lower each day. Same with Hindustan Unilever. LIC is trying to form a bottom here, but again, I still suspect it needs to close above this 805 range with a strong volume. So only then I would believe that TK, at least LIC has formed a bottom, but looks like it's not the case currently. HCL Tech still hovering at the support zone. If it breaks down hard, I think I'm going to short it. But again, market is very choppy. It is moving up and down. I prefer to stay away from the markets. L&T looking for a reversal as of now. See, 3 good days, but again, let the moving average confirm or the converge to the price. Then we would see, because last time too it got recovered, got rejected at 50 MA. It got recovered, got rejected at 50 MA. It could also happen this time, right? Confarma making lower lows very strongly. Each day the downtrend is getting stronger and stronger. Bajaj Finance still it is at this zone. It's acting very well as of now. The only stock I'm looking in the Nifty 100 is Bajaj Finance. NTPC also done very well. In fact, it has tried to close above this 50-day moving average, but couldn't. Let it consolidate here. As of now, last 3 4 days buying was really good. Even I like the volumes here. But again, do not just get into the trap. This could be short covering also. It needs to close above this 337, 338. Better case 340. Let it close above 340. Then we can think of something. Axis not going well, going sideways. Maruti, see, after this day, it has become very weaker. This was the hope for left for the auto space, Maruti. But again, even after Maruti giving up, auto sector has made a new low today. Even Kotak has also become weaker, but at least it is consolidating at the high zone. So let's wait for a few more sessions and see. Mahindra and Mahindra, that's a massive selling down 6%. See, look at the volumes. Highest volume in quarter, HVQ. Not at all looking good. Even it has closed, at least this would be the long term support zone. So, probably Mahindra is geared up for a long-term investor exit. So let me open a weekly chart here. Even on the weekly, it has closed below this zone. After a very, very long time, we are seeing such weakness in Mahindra and Mahindra. Please be careful if you are holding this name. Next comes ONGC. As usual, going sideways, there was a little buying happened here, but at least the good thing is it did not close below this yesterday's close. So that's important. Or let's wait and see. Tata Motors very weak, down 2%. Ultratech slowly losing its steam. It used to trade here and today's with market weakness. Nifty is also moving, sliding down, right? Hence, even Ultratech is becoming weaker. Adani, though, we already know it has been a long term downtrend. Power grid again, kind of selling pushed out today. Titan, very weak name. Bajaj Auto, not looking good. Ignore the Bajaj Auto name. Adani Ports to see. They always get rejected at 50 mf. That's what I have highlighted somewhere around here. Got rejected again. Whole India trying to form a bottom here, but looks like it is still making new lower lows each time. Asian Paints, maybe see it has tired, I guess, of falling. Now it is taking some rest here. Wipro 2 is getting weaker. I don't like this. It should not close below this 300 level. If it closes, then I would be a little bit disappointed with Wipro 2. Hindustan Aeronautic, I've told you, right? It would definitely get rejected here. That was just an intuition, and luckily my intuition went right. It got rejected here. You never know. Never have that intuition. Never keep a guesswork in the market. Only react to price. Bajaj Finserv is another name after Bajaj Finance. I am really looking forward to this name here. The stop loss is only 2%. Let the moving averages comes around here. As of now, it's very interesting setup. DMart not healthy. Trend going down. Adani Green going down. Siemens down again 2%. Very weak name. Jindal Steel going sideways as of now. Adani Power very weak. Zomato exactly got rejected at this 240 level again. That's why I'm very specific on Zomato. It needs to close above this 240 level, that too on a weekly time frame. Then we can say Zomato is strong. Nestle, nothing interesting. IOC not doing well. Same with Bharat Electronics. Varun Beverages, all these see get here. Not at all doing good. Geo Finance, what would you think, Geo Finance? It too got rejected at 21 EMA itself. Same with the DLF got rejected. See, major reversals. Tata Steel is a bit different story today. Interesting. It has at least breached this previous high. That's a good close for Tata Steel, but that doesn't guarantee a reversal in this. Let's wait for a few more sessions. Let it consolidate sideways. Vedanta too acting very decent as of now compared to the entire market. So let's wait and see. Grasim just the day same day. See, Ultratech has came little below. The same thing happened with Grass. Free cement. Sorry. Let's. I'm interesting. I'm waiting for free cement stock. Let's see at the end. IRFC not doing good. LDIM though it has broken down this zone. After this breaking down, it has been going sideways and downwards. Indigo, that's interesting because of Kumbh Mela perspective. Let's wait and see. Uh, Once it breaks above this 4500 zone, that would be interesting to watch. But did the market already expect the Kumbh Mela air traffic and priced in? Whether the same thing would sustain after the Mela, that would be interesting to watch. Tech Mahindra going sideways. SBI finally came out of this little zone, but again needs to close above this level for its to show its strength. Pidilite going sideways. ABB not looking great, going down. Divis Laboratory, I'm literally waiting whether it needs to pick a direction. It has been doing the same thing, trading within the channel from a long time. HDFC going side. Hindalco, wow, that's a very, very, very strong positive action. Now I feel little bit regret that I could have bought here, but again, this does not comes under my core philosophy. I rarely buy stocks making lows, so that's interesting perspective. Let us see whether Hindalco would reach this 75 or not. PFC going sideways, Britannia sideways and down, Ambuja clearly in a downtrend. Gale is also got rejected at 21 EMA. Probably will test the lows again. Tata Power, very weak names. Power stocks are not looking good. So is REC. Motherson down again today. Despite yesterday tried to move up, it has gave out up all the gains today. Same with BPCL, Godrej Consumer Products, same thing happened. Eicher Motors now trying to recover after this intense selling, but again, let's see whether this 50 and 21 EMA would be respected or not. Bank of Baroda down again. Last 2 days were very strong for PSU banks, but today they all gave back. Cipla too, trading at the low. JSW Energy looks like a short covering to me as of now. Probably this 50 EMA would be crucial to watch. TVS Motor broke down this support zone too, looking very weak. Torrent Pharma just hanging at these lows. Sun Pharma is in a clear downtrend at least. Ram Finance, wow, it's interesting, interesting. This is the first early sign it has closed above this trend line. That's very interesting. And look at the volume. The volumes are also very high. Although I'm a little bit disappointed with the closing here. If you would have closed at 600 rupees, that would be very interesting. But still, so Bajaj Finance, Sriram Finance, I think Chola would also be up. No, it's not up today. So let us make this line something like horizontal line here. Let's wait and see whether this would be respected. Both the stocks are forming little bit constructive price action on their charts. Bajaj Holding, it needs a lot of time. I never trusted this stock. It's very choppy. Adani Energy not good. Punjab National Bank down again. If it goes below this zone, probably there would be another shorting opportunity. Doctor, it is down again today as well. United Spirits, massive, massive, massive fall today. Low though, although despite it is a very choppy name, you already understand. No trend on the low. Look at here. iProve hanging at these lows, we can just draw a line at this support. If it breaks this support, there would be another correction. Havels also just hanging at these lows. See, we can just draw the lines. Almost all the stocks were again reaching these lows. That is, so stay cautious in the market. Bosch also hanging at the lows. Apollo Hospital, same thing. See, I'm just noting in this here. Always look in this zone. Dido's down again. Hero Motocorp, nothing interesting. Still going sideways. Naukri too got rejected just like almost it replicates like Zomato, right? For Zomato, it used to be 240. For Naukri, it looks like it's 7900 level. Tata Consumer broken down out of this mini zone, not looking good. Dabur, if it goes below this zone, that would be breach of long term support. Lombard hanging at the support, getting tighter. It is still deciding the direction. Jindal Steel has just touched. It has almost recovered. Almost all the correction happened due to the earnings disaster. That would be interesting to watch. It's also about Jindal Steel. Looks like all the steels, metal stocks are acting well. Please let me know what's happening in the metal space. Why are they running like that? Sri Cement, still it has held up. Sri Cement. I thought there would be a little bit correction, but it has held up. That's interesting. Canara Bank very weak. Union Bank no trend here, going sideways. IndusInd is also going sideways. As a Total Gas same thing. NHPC it has moved up, but again the closing was little weaker here, 2.5% from highs. Interesting, interesting. DHL as usual it is weak and IRCT as usual it is weak. So that was a little bit disappointing today because I thought the Friday small cap should close high. But we have a two strong days followed by a little bit reversal in the small cap and micro cap space. Even a little correction happened on the Nifty. Still, the entire market condition is not at all favorable for trading, at least on the longer side. If you are a short, if you are going to someone who is short the market, please be careful with your risk management. So, thanks a lot for watching. See you on the Monday.